So there it is. I've meant to show that to you a while back. Anybody remember the car rack, or the Hot Wheels car rack I was making? There you go. All the cars are in. Move in a little closer. So you got Margie's red car there. Another red car from Margie TV. And you got a Risa Basardi car. Those are like black. You got the twins. You got some blue car in there. Nice Lamborghini. A couple awesome cars up there. Batman. Margie's red truck. Another cool car there. And another one. Those are the twins also. Then you got that one. And another cool car there. The blue one. The green car. That's Road Channel's car. Another red one. There you go, Rebel Rocker. Rocker's cars. Look, I even got cars way on the top there. The DeLorean. They got these cars. And yes, I did get a Sunny Stormy car too. But it's not here yet. It's still in the package. And they got one there. You see that one? That a cool one? Who wants to see a close up on this one? Can't drive it out. What do you think? Like that one? Hot Wheels. All right. Turn around. Don't fall on the ground. See, I'm going to get more rain again. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to be cutting grass. So I have an open window to go cut grass across the street. Put your Shrek 3D glasses. Well, you paid the money for it. You might as well keep the glasses, you know. So, all right. Well, that's it. Wanted to show you that. There's some action figures. Got G.I. Joe. Got some Duke Nukem in there. Got some Metal Gear in there. Silver Will and I got the girls, but we never got any of the guys. So, Starship Troopers. Some Batman. Hey, look over here. Da da da! Margie TV! Yoo-hoo! She's got a premiere coming up. Well, see you in the next upload.